after midnight tonight. Impacts at 10.0 feet. Action stage. The Broad River is beginning to flood residential yards located off of Eames Mountain Road. Minor flood stage. Broad River floodwaters may be approaching the home foundations between Eames Mountain Road and the river. Additional details at 11:15 p.m. Eastern.
How is this?
The stage was 11.2 feet. Banksville stage is 12.0 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage early this morning to a crest of 12.6 feet this morning. It will then fall below flood stage this afternoon.
How are these
Flood
radios
stage is
decoded?
12.0 feet. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
15-minute
Caution
event.
is urged when walking near river banks.
Broad River again.
This is a river flood product for the following counties: Gaston, North Carolina.
And now since KHC 27 serves Gaston County,
Where South Fork keeps on the river at low.
they went off.
When from this evening to early Thursday afternoon.
Everybody activated, but the 259.
Floodwaters will approach Riverside Drive.
I had a feeling, GSP.